Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to allow or block third-party cookies in Google Chrome? Chrome gives you an option to control how third-party cookies are handled. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find the third-party cookie settings and choose between allowing or blocking them on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then tap Settings. Next, tap Privacy and Security. Then tap Third-Party Cookies. The third-party cookie settings will appear. Here, you'll see two options. Allow third-party cookies. This option allows third-party cookies in Chrome or block third-party cookies. This option blocks third-party cookies in Chrome. Choose the option you want to use, and that's how to allow or block third-party cookies in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.